common warning signs of being gaslit. Number one is denial of things that have happened. Gaslighters often deny the things that have happened, even if there's clear and definitive evidence presented to them that support it. They may also accuse you of making things up or exaggerating. Number two is twisting your words and manipulating your emotions. Gaslighters are experts at twisting your words to make you seem irrational and illogical. Number three is using your insecurities against you. Gaslighters love using your insecurities against you and making you feel like that you're not good enough or that you're the problem in the relationship. Number four is blaming you. Gaslighters will not only blame you for things that are not your fault, they will also blame you for the things that are their fault. Number five is constantly changing the narrative or story. Gaslighters will constantly change the story and the details of what happened in the situation, making it damn near impossible for you to keep track of the facts and remember what actually happened.